Speaker, sir, I rise to participate in a discussion on budget 2025-2026. Speaker, sir, ह्या बजेटाचेर चिंता आसतना एक तोखलां एक घेता, एक तोल्ट येता. त्या बजेटान गोंयकारां पासत कितें आहा? आमी हेजे नीज गोंयकार आहाय. वेरियस तेंगे बिजनस आसा आनी डिफरंट तेंचे एक्सपेक्टेशन आसता त्या बजेटान. आमी आंबेले गांवांत चयला एक नुस्तेकार अविनाश तेका दिसता तो आपल्या ट्रेडिशनल बिजनस फिशिंगाक वता. तो त्या हे बजेटान तेका दिसता कितें ताका बरी सबसिडी मेळची आनी टायमार मेळची फ्युअलाक. राजाराम कक्का फ्रॉम सत्तारी तेका दिसता कितें तेगेल्या कुळागरांक एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस आसताय ताका बरो प्रायस मेळचो. फ्रांसीस हो तियात्र सांगता तो तेका दिसता दुसरो तियात्र काडचे पयलें ताका थोडी फायनान्शियल सपोर्ट मेळचो म्हणून आनी हे तियात्राचें मुखार वचचें म्हणून सांबाळचें म्हण ट्रेडिशन. पांडुरंग भाऊ पेरनेचो तो एक्सपेक्ट करता कितें ताचें इतली वर्साचें भजन ट्रेडिशन आहा ताका गोवोरमेंटाचें सपोर्ट मेळचो म्हणून. भजन ट्रेडिशन
भजनाक मेळटा मरे तूं खबर ना तशें
बरो सपोर्ट मेळचो म्हण तेजें एक्सपेक्टेशन आसा.
आसा भजनाक आसा तूं मागीर विचारतलो हांव.
मुखेलमंत्री आन्सर दिता बरो आहा. स्पीकर सर दुसरे आमदार ही स्ट्रॅटेजी एमजीपीचे उलोवपाक हिंगा आतां क्रॉस कोताय ते मातशें बंद जावपाक.
स्पीकर सर बाबू पसरकर फोंडा ताका भिरांत येयलो आहा कित्याक व्हडली मॉल येताय आनी ह्या मॉलांत ग्रॉसरी आनी वेजिटेबल आसा ताजो बिजनस सेल बंद जातलो. बाप्पाज हॉटेल इन म्हापसा तो कस्टमरां रावता कित्याक आयज सगळे कस्टमर ऑनलायन स्विगी ना झोमॅटोचेर ऑर्डर करतात. मार्टीन टॅक्सी ओनर फ्रॉम वार्का ताका आयज भिरांत येयलो आहा की एप टॅक्स बेज सिस्टम येयलो जाल्यार आनी हे सगळे नॉन गव्हर्मेंट टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर येयलो ताजे बिजनस बंद जातलो. A young lady, Grace from Maram, is hopeful of getting admission to a professional education to best college with financial support scheme to help her in getting educated.
गोवा चीफ मिनिस्टर
असले जायते आजच्या गोंयकार जे आहाय तांकां एक्सपेक्टेशन आहे बजेटांत तांचे कितें बरें जावचें म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, is this budget goes beyond numerical exercise to meet revenue expenses and provide something or others to this section of society and not only speaks about boring figures. Speaker sir, I'm sorry to say that budget failed to satisfy this Goinkar and is more a game of numbers. First, the beautiful projected figure in the budget so far from the fiscal reality, far from the fiscal reality. The government thought a revenue surplus of 2,400 crores this year and a 14% growth forecast. But with this optimistic expectation from one-time grant of 1,520 crores from center for capital work will turn into reality. We have to provide for debt repayment of over 1,500 crores, eating into our own development funds. Because the analysis केलं जाल्यार की ₹1 70 पैसा 70 पैसे रुपयातले goes for salaries and interest, not for new projects. I urge the government, do not become complacent with these rosy numbers. We need a plan to boost our own revenue base. Monetizing assets and relying on center aid are short-term hacks. Instead, widen the tax base by improving compliance, for example, clamp down the GST evasion and streamline mining royalties. जेन्ना उलयतालो स्टार्टिंग आमच्या आम आदमी गोंयचे पूण तांकां कितें मेळटा तें पूण इन कॉन्ट्ररी चोवपाक गेल्यार मॅसीव हाव टॅक्स हॉलिडे टू बी इन्वेस्टेड. While this can attract industries, will this industrial debt will enjoy tax holiday, ensure that jobs are provided for locals, and also invest in community development? Another optimistic expectation is that mining revenue. Last year, mining revenue target was missed by half. This year too, the budget banks on 500 crores for mining. With lack of transparency in mining auctions and possible violation of environmental norms, there is bound to be slow start to mining business, and that will be surely impact our revenue. Speaker sir, budgetaचे उलयता कांय डिपार्टमेंटाचे उलयता आसतना एड्युकेशनाचे उलयता. स्पीकर सर, गोंया to develop that by 2037, a budget of multi-machine. Education is the most important sector that needs to be given priority. Speaker sir, the budget provides an amount of 2,800 crores for schools and higher education. However, money doesn't educate our children. I must point out that 61 government schools have shut down since 2019 due to lack of students. Many classrooms that remain have single teachers managing all grades. Why are parents pulling children from government school despite free uniform and free books? It's become very worry. It is because of quality, English education, teachers present, basic facilities. I urge the government to urgently fill teachers' vacancy and deploy the promised 4 teachers per primary school, so no child sit in an unmanned class. Speaker sir, Chief Minister had a statement recently that government primary school were closed and parents are to be blamed. Government has totally neglected that once upon a time a robust system of government primary school. It is the government, by that I don't mean only BJP government, has systematically destroyed the government primary school, spread in nooks and corners of Goa by giving permission to private schools. Additionally, while introducing coding and value education is great, let's not ignore basic infrastructure. Some schools need toilets, drinking water, electricity fixes more than smart classroom. I request a portion of that 2,100 crores for school education be embarked to upgrade infrastructure in 100 plus schools that are barely function with single digit enrollment. Show parents that government school can be good, if not better, than private one. That is how we should stop the closure and flight of students. Speaker sir, हे भाशेन आमचे आम आदमी गव्हर्मेंट आनी दिल्ली दाखयला जे गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल प्रायव्हेट स्कुलां सोडून गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल तर हे भाशेन हिंगाय जावपाक जाय. प्रायव्हेट स्कुलांतले गव्हर्मेंटाक येवपाक जाय. गव्हर्मेंट स्टुडंट तशें वचपाक शकना. After taking over primary education by private players, now it is a time of private entities setting up private universities, and the first such campus is been operational in Goa. The higher education sector in Goa, with Goa University at the center and affiliated colleges, is facing this challenge, and is government supporting them to fight the onslaught of private universities, or giving them preference by offering them land and easing out several regulations? The number of amendments made to Private University Act is astonishing, and is to permit the substandard groups to set up educational degree granting shop, which will further defame Goa after the casino industry. We request the government to preserve the social and cultural ethos of Goa. Speaker sir, healthaचे उलयता आसतना on health the proposal गेले new hospital ambulances. बरें आहा. The government is pumping 993 crores into Goa Medical College. But will we able to see more doctors, nurses and technicians hired? Without human resources, these new 100-bedded or 120-bedded facilities will be empty shell. As आम्ही इंगायचो South Goa District Hospital. Our budget allotment is 7.3 for health. This is decent, but we still see frontline issues. I'm referring to a case where, for instance, rural health centers have no doctors present or medicine stock out occurs. Along with big capital spends, strengthen primary health care. My suggestion is to deploy some of our newly graduated doctors into villages under bond, so that every health center from Kanakwana to Perne have staff and medicine. Speaker sir, आमची वेल्डिंग कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी चयलो हेल्थ सर्विस इज व्हेरी पोर. एक प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर धाकटोसो आनी आयज तो डॉक्टर निक्सन आनी तेजी टीम जात तितले उपाय करून लोकांची सेवा करता ते थिंगा आनी लुगारूय उरलें ना कितें आहा थिंगा स्पेसींग कितें कितें घालून तेमी हें चलयतात तेच भाशेन आमी हायली इंडस्ट्रियल आमची सांज जरी हेराल चयल्यार जायते पाटी आमी असेंब्ली उलयल्ले आहा थिंगा आयज पासून हेल्थ सेंटर ना हेल्थ सेंटर घालपाक आमी IDC कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान तें पूण IDCनी तेका रिजेक्ट येदी व्हडली थिंगा IDC एरिया धाकटोसो लुगार दिवपाक ते फाटीं सरताय हांव नाका कित्याक तें Speaker sir, as we know, prevention is better than cure. The budget is silent on rising diabetes, hypertension, mental health issues in Goa. Can we dedicate a small fund for community health, education, and regular screening camps? It will save lives and cost in long run. Allocate fund for public health campaign. ह्यो वस्तू आमच्या गांवांत नाय आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी नाय ना म्हणल्यार आमच्या बेळाली कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी नाय तेका लागून आमी धाकटी हेल्थ क्लिनीक घायलो आहाय प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलां कडेन टायअप करून हें गोवोरमेंटान करपाक जाय आसलें पूण आमी पर्सनली हे टायअप करून कोताय स्पीकर सर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर गव्हर्मेंट had announced a buffet of infrastructure project from smart roads to new city near Mopa, from bridges and highways to water supply improvement. These are needed, but my concern is effective execution. Last year, many departments underspent their infrastructure budget, delaying benefit to the public. On the other hand, basic issue must be prioritized. For instance, urban flooding in Panjim, Mapsa every season. Where is the dedicated allocation to overhaul their drainage system? Conducting a study on flooding is fine, but citizens need action. Desilting of nalas and even major dams needed. Another essential garbage management. In tourist hotspot and villages alike, becoming a big problem. Waste is becoming a big problem. The budget plastic buyback scheme is a good step, but lacks transparency when it comes to implementation. The deposit refund scheme will lead to confusion and exploitation of consumers. The material recovery facility, MRF, and waste collection and its disposal has become a nightmare for the village panchayats. Government should support this to ensure Swachh Goa, which will improve public health and tourist appeal. Speaker sir, budget mentioned about green corridor along highways, an excellent idea to prevent accident and beautiful roads. Highways has become death traps. The road engineering is very poor and no one is held responsible. Several persons have met with a fatal accident on these roads. Has there been any study? Speaker of tourism is a prime engine. The budget itself, as claimed, is for growth of tourism. There are proposals of underground tunnels and protection of hinterland tourism. Diversifying the beyond beaches is wise. However, let's remember that no tourist will enjoy your drone park if basic experience is poor. What do I mean? Our beautiful beaches are still marked with garbages in many places. So what this initiative proposal? Has there been any sustainable audit been carried out? For example, underground tunnel sounds exciting, but what is the environmental impact on marine life? Let's conduct proper studies and not rush to ensure our pursuit of novelty doesn't backfire on Goa's fragile ecosystem. Speaker sir, fort restoration and heritage village plans are excellent. Goa's history is a treasure. Support this, and I would like to see local historians and communities involved in this how these sites are developed. Authentic and beneficial to locals, possibly to jobs as guides or homestay or opportunity to heritage villages. Also, tourism is not just infrastructure, it is about how welcome the tourist feel. Of late, we have seen conflicts. For instance, about dance bars, noise issues, unruly visitors' behavior. I suggest the government work on tourism code of conduct and education program. Educate tourism on respectful behavior. and simultaneously train our local workforce in hospitality best practice. We want high-value visitors who also respect our culture. Finally, while focusing on attracting tourists, lakhs of tourists, don't forget the livelihood of Goan attached to tourism. Shacks, small guest house owners, taxi drivers, guards. The budget hasn't proposed any direct relief or support to them, even though they suffered during COVID-19. Would we consider small interest subsidy on loan that these tourist businessmen have taken, or a 1 year waiver or some local fees to help them to get back on their feet? Speaker sir, थोडे employment उलयता. Speaker sir, one grave concern that across Goa is employment. We have one of the biggest unemployment rate in the country, about 13%. Thousands of our educated youth remain jobless. Many are migrating out. The budget, while giving incentive to big investors, doesn't directly spell out how it will ensure jobs for Goan. Tax holidays to companies means little if they don't hire locally. So I strongly recommend that for every MOU or incentives we give to an industry, there should be binding local hiring clause. For example, 80% of manageable jobs to Goan residents. Speaker sir, थोडे 2 मिनिटं.
5 मिनिट 2 मिनिटां 2 मिनिटां.
Because governance and implementation उलयत आसतना this आता हे budget आणि demand pass जातले. Last time
हे डिमांड आसा न्ही
last time session less केल्ले.
2 मिनिटां विशय
session less केल्ले. एक लागून आमकां
2 मिनिटांनी विशय
मातसो टायम दिवन सांगपा पडटा. So next time मातशें session लांब दर. Sir, example आता honorable chief ministerचे budget demand उलयता 2 दीस जाय. एक दिसा more than 20 departments जाय. कितको जातले? Because let's prioritize completing ongoing projects before announcing hundreds of new ones. सकाळी जाल्लें. आज नवे ग्राउंड बांदपा रेडी आहा तुमी, पूण पोन्ने ग्राउंड आहाय ते तशें जाय. तर पोन्ने आहाय ते पयलीं कंप्लीट कर आनी मागीर नवे घेयाय. Speaker sir, my suggestion can be summed up by focus on education, target resources of pressing needs, uphold transparency, and ensure equality. So मागता आता उरलेले ते भाशेन आमचे सगळे गोंयकार जावं ते फिशरमॅन बेतला आसूं टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर जावं कलांगूटसाण वो आमचे फार्मर्स जावं सांगेन वो सिनियर सिटीजन पोंडा जावं हे सगळ्यांक दिसलें बजेटांतल्यान तें कितें तरी मेळटा म्हण. थँक्यू.